Hello and welcome to our channel Jobs Mera. We have a new opportunity today from a IBM company which is recruiting for a software developer backend in 2024. Or the companies work in many upcoming technology and softwares etc. It is a national company and very big company. You will also know. So we go through the next. The position for an backend developer, and this is a remote based pan India company, and the experience is freshers are eligible, and the qualifications is BE, B.TECH, ME, M.TECH, or etc. The student graduate in 2023 are eligible for this recruitment process, and the accepted salary range in 8 to 9 LPA, I think. And skill required for this job is Java, C, C++, Go, Salsa, Scales, Bash, Perl, Python, Ruby, MySQL, Core, and Oracle, SQL, etc. And the good problem solving and analytical skills and the verbal and written skill. The deadline of this job is as soon as possible. So we hope you have understood the recruitment process and please apply at your earliest convenience. The application link is provided in the video description. If you have any question, feel free to comment and I will respond promptly. And if you are apply this recruitment, you get a uh, direct test link and coding assessment, I think. Then it is a big opportunity for all, and go to apply and do test, and it is a very good chance to placed in the product based company like IBM. So I hope you are understood all the process, and the apply link in the below of description. So go and apply as soon as possible. So thank you all of you, or so I made the next opportunity, and thank you.